Hello, Namaste. Welcome to the distance education organized by NPABSAN Kaski. And today I am here to teach you on the topic of heat, on the chapter heat. And our today topic is effects of heat. And in our previous class, we deal about the different types of uses of heat, sources of heat, and also we deal about the effects of heat. That means we deal about two effects of heat. They are heat can changes the temperature of a body, and the another one is heat can changes the state of a matter. So today we are going to discuss about the heat can changes the volume of a body. Okay, third one, the third effect of heat is heat can changes the volume of a body. Okay, heat can changes the volume of a body. We know that volume is the space covered by a body. And in our previous class, we learned about what is volume. Also in mathematics, we used to calculate the volume of a body. That means we used to calculate volume of a cuboid, volume of a brick, etc. So actually, volume is the space covered by a body. When a body is heated, that means when we give heat to the body, then its volume get increases. That means rises. The expansion is called thermal expansion. This type of expansion we named as thermal expansions. The expansion that occur due to presence of heat energy. Okay, heat is the form of energy. So heat can change the volume of a body, and this type of expansion is called thermal expansion. Similarly, body contracts on cooling. When we cool a body, then its volume decreases. That means decreases. During heating, the volume of a body get rises. That means increase. On cooling, body gets contracts, which means decreases. Volume get decreases. So thermal expansion of a solid. There are different types of expansion of solid. If we apply heat to the solid, then its volume get rises. Also in liquid, expansion also occur in liquid. For as an example, in thermometer, the level of mercury rises when we kept the bulb of mercury in contact of hot substances. The liquid of mercury level rises, which means this is because of heat energy. So also expansion in liquid occur because of heat energy. Similarly, also expansion occurred in gas. When gas is heated, then expansion occurred, and this type of expansion is called expansion in gases. Okay, now we are going to deal about the thermal expansion of solid. The first expansion, this is because of heat energy, and that is thermal expansion of solid. Students, do you notice that the electric wires on electric poles? So different types of contracts or loose. During summer season, the electric wires on the electric pole, in summer season, they get loose. Which means during summer season, because of heat energy that coming from sun, the expansion of the electric wire occur. The expansion of electric wire occur. And this leads into the loss of electric wire. Similarly, during winter season, the electric wires get contracts, which means they get narrow in size or in length. This is because of cooling in winter season. The environment weather is cold. So, the decrease in volume of a electric wire occur. This is the one of the best example of expansion of solid due to heat energy. So, I am going to demonstrate you to show you the thermal expansion of solids. So, how thermal expansion occur in solid? I am going to demonstrate you. For this purpose, we need some materials: a iron bulb, a metal wire, a candle, a matchbox, and a stand. A stand to support our experiment. We need a stand to support our experiment. So the first step is tie the bulb with a metallic wire. We have metallic wire as shown in figure. You can see metallic wire tie with metallic bulb. Hang it in the stand by leaving minimum gap as shown in the figure. So you should have to lift some gap to the floor as shown in figure. Now heat the wire with a candle. So we have candle. We can heat the wire with the help of candle. Here the candle which provides the heat energy. Okay, candle is a source of heat energy here. So observe the bulb. What do you see? Discuss the change seen and cause of change in the class. That means in our class we can observe about the change. What type of changes occur here? First of all, before heating, the metallic bulb does not touches to the lower surface, but after heating, metallic bulb touches to the lower surface. So this shows that this is because of expansion of metallic wire. This is because of expansion of metallic wire on heating, because the candle provides heat energy to the wire. So there is increase in length of that metallic wire as shown in figure. So now we deal about the thermal expansion of solid. Now we are going to learn about the thermal expansion of liquid. Okay, thermal expansion of liquid, which means expansion that occur in liquid such as water, milk. Okay, there are different types of liquid. So we are going to learn how liquids are expand on heating. What happens when milk is boiled in a vessel? It may spill off. Can you see? While heating, the milk spill off. Why? Can you tell? यदि हजुरहरूले आफ्नो घरमा दुध उमाल्ने बेलामा तताउने बेलामा यदि हामीहरूले हिट धेरै टाइमसम्म दियौं भने त्यो के हुन्छ? दुध उम्लिएर बाहिर जान्छ, जसले के बुझाउँदछ भन्दा लिक्विडमा एक्सपान्सन भयो, भोल्युम इन्क्रिज भयो, Here expansion, which means increase in volume. Expansion भएर त्यसको साइजमा इन्क्रिज भयो, मोलिक्युल्सहरुमा भाइब्रेसन भयो. So milk spill off. It is due to the thermal expansion. Yes, I already told about you. This is because of thermal expansion. When liquid substances are heated, they expand. When liquid substances are heated, they expand. A thermometer is based on the same principle. Yes, a thermometer is based on this principle. Which principle? Can you guess? On heating, the liquid get expand. Their volume rises. At this principle, the thermometer is based on. Okay, when we kept the bulb of a thermometer in contact of hot body, then the liquid level inside thermometer get rises, increase. So there is rises of mercury level. This is because of expansion of liquid. Are you clear? I hope that you are clear. A thermometer is based on this principle. Yes. The mercury in the bulb of thermometer is expanded when heated. So the raised level of mercury shows the temperature. So to show the thermal expansion of liquid, I have an experiment for you. You can look at the figure. Figure is right here. You can look here. So here are some methods to prove this experiment that on heating liquid get expand. So we need some materials, same as before that of expansion of solid. Here we need other types of materials. The first one is we need a round bottom flask, one hole cork filled with a glass tube, spirit lamp, water, stand. This type of materials we require to show the thermal expansion of liquid. So first of all, fill a round bottom flask with water. Here in this figure, first of all, fill the round bottom flask with water. Fit a glass tube with the help of a cork. Okay, we have a glass tube and we should have to fit the glass tube with the help of cork. Adjust the flask in the stand. Okay, mark the initial level of water. So in glass tube, we should have to mark the initial level of water. And now heat the flask for 2 minutes. We should have to give heat to the round bottom flask. Note the final level of water. Now what will happen there? What will be the final level of water in this figure? You can see the rises of liquid level, water level. And can you tell why this happened? This is happened because of thermal expansion of water on heating. So this experiment proved that the expansion of liquid occur on heating. Can you tell why it is different? So can you tell why the level of liquid are different in these two round bottom flasks? Can you tell? It is because of thermal expansion. Up to this time you know about that. It is because of thermal expansion. And now we are going to deal about the thermal expansion of gas. And this is our last one, last expansion because of heat, thermal expansion of gas. Okay, we learn about expansion of solid, expansion of liquid. Now we are going to learn about the thermal expansion of gas. And students, here you can see solid, liquid and gas. Can you say what are they? That solid, liquid and gas. What are they? Yes, you know about that. These are form of matter. Okay, these are called matter. Solid, liquid, gas, they are the different form of matter. We can find out matter in different form, in the form of solid, in the form of liquid and in the form of gas. So matter shows the expansion on heating. Okay, like other types of matter, gases also shows the expansion on heating. Gases also expand. So we are going to prove by doing an experiment. To do that, we need some materials. The materials required are round bottom flask, water, one hole cork, glass tube, stand, beaker and a candle. So how to adjust them? You can look at this figure. You can see here, adjust the flask with cork and tube. Here you need to adjust the flask with cork and tube. Fill the flask inverted as shown in the diagram. Fit flask, fill the flask inverted as shown in the diagram. The other end of the tube is inside the water of the beaker. So heat the flask with a burning candle. So here we should have to provide heat energy. Also here the heat energy is provided by burning candle. You can give a heat. Heat the flask with a burning candle. Observe inside the water. What will happen there? You can see some bubbles after heating. You can see bubbles come inside the water in the figure B. And can you tell why this happened? This is happened because of expansion of air inside the round bottom flask. When we heated the round bottom flask, the air inside the round bottom flask get expanded and we can see some bubbles inside the water. These bubbles are air. Okay. So like this we can prove that gases also expand on heating. Gases also expand on heating. Okay students, now I have some homework for you. You can copy and do it your home. Okay. Homework. The first one is, what is thermal expansion? What is thermal expansion? This is your first question. Your second question is, what are the different effects of heat energy. Heat energy, write them. Okay, different effects of heat energy. That means heat energy can changes the temperature of a body, and like this you can write. Okay, and this much for today, students, and we will meet in our next class. Okay, thank you.